On today's episode of Let's Talk Drones, we are unboxing the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC 2. What's up? It's Chris, the Drone Geek, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Drones. Let's Talk Drones is brought to you by The Droning Company, the #1 online resource for commercial remote pilots based in the United States. If you've got your Part 107, make sure you check them out online at thedroningcompany.com and across all major social media platforms. Now look, I know I said I wasn't going to, but I did. I saw a bunch of reviews, and after talking to a few people that had access to this drone early, they couldn't tell me a lot about it, but basically they all said it's awesome. So I decided, why not? Let's take a swing on it. I had some extra money burning a hole in my pocket. Let's see what this drone is all about. And if I don't like it or I can't find time to fly it, maybe I'll give it away, maybe I'll sell it. I don't know. All I know is I'm excited to have it, and I can't wait to see what this thing can do. But before we get to review videos on the DJI Air 3, we gotta unbox the thing first, so let's not waste any more time. I still have the plastic wrap on this thing. It's been hours. I need to open it right now. Okay, so we have the Air 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC 2. I've usually been against these controllers just because the screen placement still isn't quite where I want it to be. However, in this particular example, I wanted to get the full effect. So let's go ahead and get started by cutting the plastic wrap off of the case. Now, I don't know, here we go. This will be the best way to do this. There we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. I always love pulling the plastic wrap off of any new box or package. Go ahead and do away with that. And now what we have to do is pull this little green tab here. There's one. I believe there's another one. Let's take a look, maybe on the bottom here. No, that's it. Okay, easy enough. Moment of truth. Open up the top slot, and we go ahead and we pull the go bag out of the box. So we have our DJI Air 3 kit in this go bag. Now, I don't really use these very much. I usually throw the drone that I'm using in the backpack that I use with all of my other photo and video equipment, but it is a pretty high quality bag. Really like the feel, and let's see how this buckle feels. Yeah, that's nice too. Everything about this bag is definitely high quality. So if you don't have a photo bag or video bag, this is a great starter for somebody that's just getting into photo, video, and drones. So pull out all of our spare parts there. Let's take a look at this. This is a monster of a piece. Let's go ahead and slide this out of the way for right now. This is a monster of a piece, and I've seen comments on social media about this. This is the battery charging hub for the batteries on the Air 3, and it is a behemoth. My word, that is huge. Let's move that out of there. That's what she said, by the way. Let's see how we remove the batteries. I don't want to break anything, obviously. There, oh, okay, perfect. So here's the learning experience. The batteries come with these little buttons here. You just press on that, and then it lets loose the battery. Batteries are definitely larger than they were in the Air 2S. They've definitely taken on the model of the Mavic 3 batteries, that longer rectangular form factor, but they're lightweight and they pack a 46-minute flight time, so nothing to complain about there. They just latch in. Go ahead and put that off to the side. Let's pull out the controller. This is the DJI RC 2. Man, the packaging on this is pretty absurd. It's different than it's ever been before. Put that out of the way. Okay, so you see here we have a nice big display. I forget what the number of nits are on this. We'll talk about that in a review video down the road here on the DJI Air 3, but I do like the quality of the RC 2. Feels nice in my hands. I like the rubberized grips on the back. That's definitely nice. You've got your control sticks in there. Yeah, everything about this feels good. It is a little lightweight for my liking, but you don't want it to be real heavy either, because then all of a sudden your arms start to get tired while flying. So overall, really like this. Button feedback's nice. Control stick area feedback is really nice. Yeah, everything feels good about this. Looks like we have a couple of C mode buttons on the back as well. So very cool. This is my first ever DJI RC with the smart controller with the screen built into the controller itself. So very excited to try that for the first time. And the moment you've all been waiting for and what you came here for, the DJI Air 3. So let's go ahead, get this open. And we'll slide that out of there. Yeah, this is cool. Now let's see how this gimbal cover goes, because historically speaking, I've never been a huge fan of gimbal covers that are plastic. I don't even know how we're going to begin to take this thing off. I'm assuming it's in that manner. Oh boy. Okay, I may have to refer to the user's manual for the first time. I do like the arm action, unfolding the arms and legs. That's nice. Got a really nice feel to it. The aircraft itself is very, very, I mean, it's heavy in your hand, not in a bad way. It's just got like some heft to it. I do like that. You all know that. I'll take the battery out, see what it feels like. Again, just a solidly built aircraft once again by DJI. Now let's go ahead, let's explore this. Okay, so it looks as though you have to just sort of, I don't know. What is happening? I don't want to break this. Hold on, I'm gonna go look at a video. Ooh. Okay, all right, so I'm an idiot. I was trying to pull out like that. That's what she said again. But actually what you want to do is push down and then pull out. Comes off real easy. I do like that design. That was one of the easier ways. Let's go ahead and put it back on the drone. No, that's the moment of truth. Before we do that though, let's remove this foam piece. There we go, bingo. Okay, so now, moment of truth, let's go ahead and pop the gimbal cover back on, because this is the part that frustrates me. So I'm assuming you push down, those little lips go under. Wow, they've done it. They made gimbal covers easy for me. DJI, you just continue to impress me more and more. So go ahead and we will take that off again for now. Move that out of the way. And yes, here is the very controversial dual sensor of the DJI Air 3. Now, I've heard a lot of different things about this drone, and one of the things that people continue to speak about, and we'll be investigating in a few future videos on the Air 3, is the stacked sensor in this camera. Everybody was very skeptical on that 1/1.3-inch sensor, and the fact that we didn't get a 1-inch sensor with the Air 3 on either camera platform, and what that might mean for the quality of the drone. Apparently, there's technology in here that's used in higher end cameras. It's called stacked sensor. And essentially what it is it gives the drone's camera the ability to process data faster because the components of the sensor are stacked on top of one another, which somehow makes the data transfer faster and more efficient and results in a higher quality image. People smarter than me figured that technology out, and I'm just appreciative of it. Really going to be excited to see how these sensors do in a variety of different environments, both normal light as well as low light, and everything we can find in between. Oh, and if anybody cares, I'll go ahead and take a look at these parts that come with it. We of course have some extra propellers, a lot of extra propellers there. Put those there. Oh, this is all propellers, literally all of its propellers. Okay, so I don't have to worry about breaking a propeller. That's going to be taken care of quite nicely. Let's see what else is in here, if anything. Aha, yep, we have stuff in this pocket right here. There's some silica gel, we'll get rid of that. More silica, well, this is the instruction manual, so we'll put that to the side here. More silica gel, makes my life a living hell. Looks like a USB data transfer cable and charging cable potentially, so we'll put that off to the side. I think that's it in that pocket. Are there any other pockets that have anything in them? Typically this bag has stuff. No, nothing in there. So that's it. That's it in the bag. That's everything that we need is right over here. So we have our instruction manual. I'll go over this before we start our review process, just to make sure everything is exactly as it has been with DJI with some of those upgrades we've talked about. I just want to make sure the drone itself works the same way as all the older ones. I am really excited to get started with this combo. This is a killer combo, and I cannot wait to do some in-the-field reviews on the DJI Air 3. So there you have it. That is our official unboxing of the DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC 2.
Did you like this video? What do you think of everything that comes with the DJI Air 3? What are your expectations for the review videos that we do on this impressive little drone? Let me know down in the comments below. Again, I gotta ask the question, after seeing the unboxing, are you swayed to go out and buy the DJI Air 3? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up icon. It helps me out a lot, helps get this video out into the algorithm. Make sure you share it with your friends too by copying the URL down using that share button below this video. Also, if you really like this video, you love drone content made by drones, about drones, and for drone pilots, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and while you're at it, hit the bell icon too. It'll give you notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, I'm Chris. This is the DJI Air 3, and we're out of here. See ya!
Yo, yo,